Home remedies for wet cough. Wet cough is the body's way of cleaning any expectorate present in the throat and airways, which could be a result of weather change or common. Here are some home remedies for wet cough. Remedy 1. For this we need pepper, Zeera powder and a glass of warm water. Let's start the process. Take a glass of hot water, add half tablespoon of Zeera powder and half tablespoon of pepper powder and mix them well. Have this 4 times in a day to get good relief in the throat. Second home remedy for wet cough. For this we need ginger juice and honey. Let's start the process. Take ginger juice, add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix it well. Have this 2 times in a day to get good relief in throat. Third home remedy for wet cough. For this we need garlic. Take few garlic cloves, crush it and make a fine paste out of it. Then add some water and mix it well. Now filter this mixture into a bowl. Garlic juice is ready. Take half tablespoon of this juice 3 times in a day. You'll get a good relief in your throat. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.